Carbon dioxide is produced as a product of respiration when we burn down glucose to produce energy. So we're going to see how to carry out an experiment to confirm that actually carbon dioxide is produced during aerobic respiration. And as usual, we start with what shall we need? Materials and reagents. So we shall need delivery tube. So we shall need delivery tubes, a thistle funnel, a living animal which could be a toad, rat, not a goat though, or germinated seeds, lime water and soda lime. The function of lime water is to absorb carbon dioxide. In chemistry, we also study to see that it confirms presence of carbon dioxide. And then soda lime actually also absorbs carbon dioxide. We are going to see where we put which. And so, how will the diagram look like? So this is a diagram of apparatus that shows how we could arrange the apparatus and materials to come up with a successful experiment. So this is our thistle funnel. And inside it we have our soda lime. We have our delivery tubes, 3 of them. Let's put them here. Flasks or wash bottles. So this soda lime is in form of pellets. Now what air will be coming through and it will meet, this is lime water. And this is, let's call it flask A. So air will come through the thistle funnel and then we'll go through lime water. Remember, lime water absorbs carbon dioxide. So air free of carbon dioxide will go now through this other delivery tube. This one, we make sure that it dips actually into the lime water so that none of the carbon dioxide that comes along will escape. So we have air free of carbon dioxide coming through to this part here to flask B. So this is our flask B, that has living organisms, which could be an animal, or in this case we have used germinated seeds. In the lab, we can germinate seeds by keeping them in a moist piece of cotton wool for about 3 days. So now these germinated seeds use the air that has come respiration, so they give out carbon dioxide, and so some air passes through this delivery tube to this flask, which is flask C that has lime water. And then this is a pump. Okay, now this pump ensures that the air that comes to this flask also finds its way up, and then to this flask and finds its way up, so that because there is no pressure this side that could push the air, so we create a pump this side to cause the air to move from flask A to B to C. What do we observe after some time? We observe that the lime water in flask A does not change. When lime water receives carbon dioxide, it turns milky. It forms a whitish color, and that is because some precipitates have been formed within the lime water. However, in this case, this lime water remains clear. Then the air passes through flask B to C. Observation is lime water in flask C actually turns milky. Why is that so? It is because respiration by these germinated seeds produces carbon dioxide, which moves to flask C and causes lime water to become milky. Carbon dioxide is absent here, so the lime water remains colorless. But the carbon dioxide produced from respiration here turns the lime water to become milky. Therefore, we can conclude by saying that respiration actually liberates carbon dioxide, because we have confirmed its presence using lime water.